I am Rosalinda Marie Ballesteros and I am going to discuss the parts and the functions of the cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known living organisms. Cell has two types, and this is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell are cells that contain a nucleus and organelles and are enclosed by a plasma membrane. Before we proceed to the next, this is the example of eukaryotic cell. There's a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, flagellum, nucleus, nuclear pore, and anything else. Next, these are the parts and functions of the cell. First, nucleus. A membrane-bound structure that contains the cell hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. Second, endoplasmic reticulum. Roth endoplasmic reticulum is primarily concerned with the synthesis, folding, and modification of proteins, especially those that need to be delivered to different organelles within the cell or are secreted from the cell. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is largely associated with lipid manufacture and metabolism and steroid production, hormone production. It also has a detoxification function. Next is Golgi apparatus. It receives biochemical in a bulk flow from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next is plasma cell membrane. It's the boundary between the cell and its environment, and it regulates what enters and exits the cell. Next, microtubules are involved in mitosis, cell motility, intracellular transport, maintenance of cell shape, and keep organelles in place. Centrosome is an organelle that is main place where cell. Next is centrosome is an organelle that is the main place where cell microtubules are organized. Next is ribosomes, serves as the site of biological protein synthesis. Next, lysosomes are organelles that contain digestive enzymes. Next is cytoplasm. It's a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. Next is mitochondria, referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Next, cilia are eyelashes-like structures, microtubule-based organelle that project from the surface of cells and serve both motile and sensory functions. Next is flagellum. Flagellum is a whip-like structure that acts primarily as an organelle of locomotion in the cells of many living organisms. Next is microfilaments. They are holes in a cell movement, muscles contraction, and the cell. Next is this is the second types of cell. It called prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, single cell organism. They are simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cell and lack membrane-bound organelles such as nucleus. Example is bacteria and archaea. Next is capsule. Capsule. This additional outer covering protects the cell when it is inflaged by other organisms, assists in retaining moisture, and helps the cell adhere to surface and nutrients. Next, cell wall is an outer covering that protects the bacterial cell and gives it shape. Next is pili, hair-like structure on the surface of the cell that attach to other bacterial cells. And that's all. Thank you.